Oh, hold on. Flippin' chicken. You motherfucker knocked out or what? What the fuck? I barely tapped the back of his head. Why y'all walking on your brother like that for? Flipping chickens. Hopefully this ain't flipping chickens going bad. He's moving. He's moving. He's moving. He's breathing, folks. He is A-okay. He's just a little knocked out. You see him? Give him 2 minutes. He'll be right back up and walking around. He'll be a little staggery at first. You see him breathing, right? Okay. Come on. Get your little chicken run going on. Come on, buddy. Get resuscitative. Move it. Get up and go. Come on, buddy. Get up and go. He is still alive, people. Don't worry. You see him breathing? Yeah, that's him breathing. He's still alive. It's called flipping chickens, everybody. Just knocks them out for a second. They get up stumbling like they're drunk, and then they're A-okay. Look at them. Little cute birds. Little cute birds. Come on, flipping chicken. I ain't got all flipping day. Come on, dude. Come on. Just needs a little kickstart. Come on.
He's coming too.
Come on, buddy. It's kind of like a chicken tranquilizer with just a flick. Get up. See, look, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. He's about to fly the fuck away. You see that? Drunk as a skunk, but he's still there, alive and kicking. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, buddy. Get up moving, do your little circle dance. Oh, hell. Yeah, there you go. Wake up, nigga. You got this? It's like being reborn. That's what it looks like, dude. Hey! Get the fuck up, you're stronger than that. You're my chicken, motherfucker. Come on. Today on this episode of Flippin' Chickens, that chicken's high on something. Come on. Get up. Look at him, look at him. Go! We got a live chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Looky there. Beautiful, all chilling like a villain. Look at him. Like, let me just stand in the corner. I've been a bad chicken. Thank you.